So guys, recently I got this error and I fixed it, and I will show you how you can do that too. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I found a Reddit post and this part fixed it for me. So I just needed to download Drive Store Explorer from GitHub. So on search, you just need to write Drive Store Explorer, look for GitHub, and then scroll down until you see latest release. Here, latest release, and then download to your computer zip file. This one, okay? Once it's downloaded, right click on the file, and then you need to extract it. So extract all, and then save it to whatever you like. In my case, it will be desktop. And then you need to launch this exe file. Just open and wait until the file is scanning files. And then you will see a bunch of different files here. And then you need to look for the title with Disksoft, VGM Bus, or Head Height. In my case was Disksoft. So Disksoft, and I just needed to select, basically, let's say network service was Disksoft, and I just need to select that particular file, and then press force deletion and delete that particular driver. And I restarted my computer, launched Apex, and Apex worked. So try it for yourself and look if the problem is fixed for you or not. If the problem persists, then several programs can force you from not opening Apex. Usually it's Daemon Tools, DS4 Windows, Revast, Rainmeter, AutoHotkey, or VLC. So you need to just go to installed apps on your computer and then look for these particular apps and then just uninstall it. Also, for some people said that they did not have it, for example, Daemon Tools. So what they did is simply install Daemon Tools on their computer, like here, Daemon Tools Lite, and then they go to install files and uninstall it, and Apex work for them. So you can try it with all these apps as well. And also, after you do so, go to Device Manager, and then on Device Manager, look for Universal Serious Bus controllers here, and look if there is no Daemon Tools drivers here, and on storage controllers as well, and on system device as well should be no Daemon Tools app as well. And then after you complete all these steps, you start your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.